Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel Coding with Alif. Today I am showing you how to code a batch file to open multiple browser or single browser. For this you have to create a batch file. If you don't know how to create a batch file, I have already make a video on batch file. Just check it on my channel. Let's make a batch file first. Browser open the batch file name, and after that .cmd for batch file. Okay, browser pin. Let's save it, and you can find the browser pin batch file on your desktop. Let's edit it. First you have to edit hash sorry @echo echo of, then start Chrome, T. Okay, then save it and just command it. What is the problem? I just made a fault on it. Let's save it. Oh, it's not working. I wanna open this browser. Let's check it. What is the problem is here? Let's change the formula. It is not working. Why? I don't know. I am showing you on this type of batch file. You can open the browser. Wait a minute, I am solving this issue. Okay guys, I just created two Chrome here, Chrome 001 and Chrome 002. Let's check this, it will work or not. Let's check it. Oh, it's opened. I wanna just open these two browser. Let's check it how to open. It is start Chrome 001, then copy, then paste and change the name at start Chrome 002. Okay, it is the code, and okay, the two browser is open successfully. If you wanna open this XDF Chrome, okay, you just edit here, start, then XDF Chrome, okay, and make a command. It doesn't find any browser. Let's remove the space here and save it. It also doesn't find any Chrome browser. So when you wanna command this type of action, you have to just make the browser name like this and this, then it will open. This type name will not appear. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum.